Are you looking to reduce waste but don't know where to start? You might be surprised how easy it is to replace everyday items with zero-waste alternatives. Welcome back to Life Tips. Today we're going to talk about 5 simple, everyday items you can easily replace with zero-waste alternatives. Let's dive in. First up, replace single-use plastic water bottles with a reusable bottle. This is one of the easiest switches you can make, and it's a win-win for both the environment and your wallet. Plus, reusable bottles come in a variety of styles to fit your needs. Next, say goodbye to plastic grocery bags and switch to reusable cloth bags. Whether you're at the grocery store or running errands, keeping a cloth bag handy means you'll always be ready to refuse plastic. Item 3. Paper towels. Cloth towels. Paper towels are convenient, but they create a lot of unnecessary waste. By swapping to reusable cloth towels, you'll cut down on waste and save money in the long run. They're washable and can be used over and over again. Item 4. Disposable coffee cups. Reusable coffee cups. If you're a coffee lover, you're probably familiar with disposable cups. Make the switch to a reusable coffee cup. Many cafes offer discounts when you bring your own cup, so this change is not only eco-friendly, but it can also help you save on your daily coffee. Item 5. Plastic wrap, beeswax wrap. Finally, swap out plastic wrap for beeswax wraps. These reusable wraps are perfect for keeping food fresh, and they're a natural, compostable alternative to traditional plastic wrap. Use them to cover bowls or wrap up snacks and just wash and reuse them again. Starting a low-waste lifestyle doesn't have to be overwhelming. By making these simple swaps, you're already on your way to a more sustainable, eco-friendly life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your favorite zero-waste swaps. Let's keep the conversation going.